Hello, good day. This is TZ, and today I would like to show you how to load this rose. It is a wearable rose, as in you can walk around with it and it moves with your hand, not your body, your actual hand. If you juggle or whatnot, it's gonna move with your hand itself. Okay. The first step is to make sure that your avatar is legacy. That's how we're gonna load it. So you're gonna go to your closet in game and change your avatar to legacy. Okay, and you're gonna hit save change. Now that you have it on legacy, the reason that we're using a legacy avatar is because you cannot change your avatar. If it's newstyle, you cannot change the meshes that it's using, so we're gonna have to use legacy. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to my profile and look for the rose, or if you're having a hard time and it's not on the first page here, you can click to my clothing catalog here, the arrow, and it will take you here and you can hit search and then type in rose, but right now it's in the front, so I'm just gonna click it. You see it here, you hit buy, whatever, purchase. Over here is gonna have a bunch of information. We're gonna need some of this information to actually load the rows, because we're loading the rows on a nose ring. And what we're gonna do is take this file, it's the GML file here, and we're gonna copy it. The reason that we're copying this name is because this is the name of the actual prop that we want to load the image on. So right now I'm just gonna copy that, and since you purchased this you're gonna go to your clothing section and you're gonna put it on. So this is the thing you just purchased, and you go and you apply the outfit. Right now if you go in game, it's gonna look like a nose ring, so just go in there. Oh, weird bull nose ring looking thing. Okay. So let's go to, we're gonna go edit this nose ring and change it to the glass that we copied here, this name here. If you go here where, well, the section where it's in your clothing section, you're gonna see the same information, it's just gonna be a little more squished together. On my page it's a little separate. So after you loaded the thing that you bought, you're gonna just go copy this, if you have it already copied, and the last thing you're gonna do to get it on is you're gonna go to your profile, and then you're gonna hit the profile tab here, go down to avatar, hope you're following me, profile, then straight down to avatar, and then you scroll down, and if you saw here, it's on the nose mesh, so you're looking for nose mesh slot, so you just scroll down until you see nose mesh here, and then you're just gonna backspace what's currently there, delete it, and then you're gonna hit Control V, or you can right click and hit paste. When you're done with that, just scroll straight down and hit save changes. Once you hit save changes, it's gonna change the nose mesh to a serpent glass, and your texture that was on your nose mesh is now on your glass. So if you're a legacy avatar, you can just stop here and load your clothing from this section of your profile. If you're not a legacy avatar, normally you can go back into your game and just click new style avatar and click save change, and you're gonna see you still have the rose in your hand. You can save it here in your closet, or you can go and load your normal stuff back on, like your skin. It's gonna load a skin pretty quick here, and then I'm just gonna load an outfit. And go back to game, and ta-da! You have a rose, and you're right back to your new style avatar. Okay, so you can stop here if that's all you needed to know. I'm gonna say a few more things about the actual loading of these things. First of all, I will normally be using the nose, the lip, or the eyebrow meshes to load my items, because the wings normally used for, people use it wings for, of course, wings, and the wing section also is now used for here for the use of the veils. So I'm not going to be using those for items because of the fact that it's so popularly used, and it could cause a problem later on for people wanting to load the rose or whatever else I'm going to be selling on these things. I think also, well, if you have a slot that already is being used, like you have something already on your you are wearing a nose ring, or you are wearing an eyebrow ring, and you'd like me to change the slot that I have the rose loading on, you can send me a mail. I'll change it for you. If it's anything later on, I'm gonna be making a video, hopefully, on how to load more than one item. I can show you an example of what that looks like. I think I have a save somewhere. I think it's this. It's gonna be a little creepy, but it was just a test thing I was doing. Okay. You see I have loaded a tail and a wing, which normally uses the same slot, which is the wing slot, but I changed it to I changed it to use the eyebrow. And you can also use, see, right now I have three things which normally uses I have a halo and I have wings on. Normally you can't wear halo and wings on, so if you'd like, I have a couple of these things for sale, and if you'd like me to put them together in a way that you can wear all three together, you can mail me about that. Okay, I think that's all for right now. Hope you have a good day. Goodbye.